How to expand your brand with affiliate marketing. Have people ever told you that you'd make a great salesman? With affiliate marketing, you can turn your natural sales skills into a profitable career. However, it takes more than a good sales pitch to succeed at affiliate marketing. In the following paragraphs, you'll find tips that will turn you into a marketing pro. Securing reciprocal links is a modest but important step in any profitable affiliate marketing program. Website owners should always do what they can to get a link from their affiliates back to their own website. Such links are doubly desirable because they not only increase the utility of the affiliate program, they also improve the website's standing in search engine results rankings. Do not go crazy with social media updates and internet searching if you want to remain productive in affiliate marketing. Checking your email multiple times per day or changing your Facebook status is great to do in your downtime, but remember that becoming a successful affiliate is not downtime. Keep your mind on task. You should only work with affiliate companies that are fair and generous with their users. If they pay less than 20% commission, keep looking. If you put a forthright effort into your affiliate programs, good companies will recognize that and reward you appropriately to maintain your partnership. Don't bother with products that don't convert, even if they advertise high commissions. One webmaster reported that out of over 1,000 click-throughs to a vendor's site, not one visitor actually bought the product. Terrible conversion ratios like this are a sign that the product is not in demand or that there is something wrong with the product, such as a high price or poor copy on the landing page. You don't have to limit yourself to just making one website, expand your profit potential. If you start to see success after your first website, then make another website and double your profit potential on a monthly basis. Plus, after you make your first website and go through all the procedures of getting into affiliate marketing, it should be easier to make another because you're already familiar with the process. If you manage to master affiliate marketing, it can be a dream career. You get to work from home, set your own hours, can never be laid off, and are in control of your destiny. Now that you've watched this video, you know what you can do to achieve affiliate marketing success. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.